In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use the green screen in Premiere Pro. Download the video asset from the assignment page. Let's open the folder. We have 4 files. The first one is a landscape. This was foam I took a photo of and turned it blue. It was initially green on styrofoam. If you look close, there's styrofoam here with foam bits on top of it. It's see-through in the background. This is a PNG. So we'll be able to see the sky behind this in the video. This is the video of the green screen here with the person walking, and we'll be able to use this on that landscape stitched.png. Here's the background stars PNG, and here is the shadow that's going to be underneath the person walking, and we're going to move that to make it look like he's really in that space. So let's open up Premiere Pro. Let's click on that, open it. Click on New Project, click on Create on the bottom right. If this dialog box comes up, click on Replace. For my folder, I'm going to drag and drop the verticalwalking.mov into the timeline here. I'll drag the stars.mp4 onto the timeline. I'll drag the shadow.png onto the timeline and the landscape stitched.jpg onto the timeline. I'll close this for now and open up Premiere Pro a little bit bigger so I have more room to work with. So on this layer, verticalwalking.mov, we can right click on it and click on unlink and then delete the audio. We don't need that. Let's bring the vertical walking up to the top layer here. We're going to put the stars MP4 on the bottom. We're going to right click and we're going to unlink that one as well and delete the audio. This is the landscape. We're going to put that on the second layer and we're going to click and drag it as long as that stars MP4 is. On the shadow layer, we're going to bring that over here and we're going to drag that as long, and then we're going to take the vertical walking MOV and bring it down one. What we're going to do next is save this. Do a file, save as, let's go to your desktop and look for the green screen video, and we're going to name this green screen video, and then click save. Let's find a spot here in the video where the actor is walking. We're going to start right here where the green is right behind his back. We're going to press the C to get the cut tool, and we're going to cut right there. Press the V for the move tool, and then we're going to click on this part right here and press delete. We're going to drag this over to the left, and then we'll come over here to the beginning of this, and then we'll stop it right about when he gets to the green right here. Click on the C and cut that video, and we'll delete the rest of that. Let's zoom in real close, and we can cut straight down. Using the C, the cut tool, we can press the Shift key and cut straight down all through all of those layers. Get the move tool by clicking V, click and drag to select and delete all those layers. So this video is going to be 4 seconds long. This tutorial will continue in the next video.